Hello, hello, hello. I am the Linux Mitch. I have a virtual machine of Arch Linux that I installed on April 8th, and the last time I updated it was a month ago. So today I'm going to do an update and let's see how long it takes. So I'm going to go into the terminal. And of course, Qtile doesn't have any, the mouse hardly works. There's no menus. So everything is keyboard driven. So I'm going to hold down my super key and hit the enter button. This last. Let's just do this. So this bottom number, I created this virtual machine on April 8th. And you can type in the last command in a virtual machine, or if you're running Arch or an Arch-based system on bare metal, it works. And this last command is not an alias that I made in my Zesh file. It's just a command that just works. So of course, the oldest is at the very bottom. So when you use this command, you got to go up to the top. And of course, today is Sunday, May 14th. And because I created this virtual machine on April 8th and I've hardly used it, there's not a lot of commands here. But if you're running something for 6 months or for a year and you type in the last, this is going to be a really long list. So anyways, let's go back to the bottom. So like I said, I created the machine on April 8th. Now I have another command, and this one I made an alias. So to show you it, I'm going to go into vim zesh rc, and these are all my aliases. So line 287 is an alias. This is the command right here, and I think if I highlight it, it's not going to show good. So line 287, this is the command, but the alias is all updates. So I'm going to close this Zesh file. I'm going to clear the screen, and I'm going to type in all updates. I'm going to hit enter. And this is showing all the updates I've done on the system. And of course, there's not a lot of updates because like I said, I just did the install on April 8th. And today is Sunday, May 14th, 2023. 9:26 and 35 seconds a.m. So anyways, I did an update on April 15th. So you can see this bottom one. April 15th was the last time I updated it at 18:01, which would be 6:01 p.m. And so today is, we're 1 day shy of a month, because today is May 14th, so I'm 1 day shy of a month of doing updates on Arch Linux. So I'm going to time this. I'm going to do the updates. I'm going to time it, but of course, I'm going to pause the video because I don't want you people to have to sit through a whole update. Although I don't think it's going to be long, and I'm 99.9% sure it's not going to break because a month is not that long for Arch. So I'm going to clear the screen, and of course, if you're not using my alias, my Zesh file, you do sudo pacman SYU and hit enter. But I don't have to do that because I have it programmed as an alias, and my alias is update. I'm going to hit enter. I'm going to put my password in. And let's just see here. It's 187 updates. Look at this. 187 updates. Wow. So it is 9:28 and 30 seconds. Let's hit it. And I'm just going to pause the video. And there you go. We're done. It took 2 minutes and 10 seconds. Isn't that amazing? 2 minutes and 10 seconds for 187 updates. Arch Linux. Faster than a speeding bullet. Oh, and now I have to reboot because there was a kernel update involved. So let's do that. And we're at the login manager. I'm going to type in my password. And there we are. We're updated. Isn't that amazing? So I'm just going to go into my vimrc file. So line 287 is going to show all updates. And the alias, of course, this is the command here. But the alias is all updates. Line 286 is going to show the last update. So what it's going to do is, this is the command going from grep all the way down there. That's the whole command. But I'll type in last update. And even if there was 187 updates, it's only going to show the last date that it was updated, not the last 10 dates, just the very last date that it was updated. So if we close this, last update, and here we have it. The top starts today at May 14th, and it ends today. So that's how it works. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like it and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. I am the Linux Makc.